Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will teach you how to clean the water pump pipeline and pump use maintenance related operations when the operation is completed. Firstly, the pump line cleaning is divided into the following steps. Discharge the unsprayed liquid after operation, paying attention to the location of the discharge to avoid secondary pollution. Add all the prepared foam water to the inside of the tank and click the spray button on the remote control to spray it out. Add all the prepared water to the tank and click the spray button on the remote control to spray it out. Take out the inlet screen and outlet screen of the tank to clean, and install the restore. Wipe the outside of the tank, the outside of the tubing, and the frame of the unit completely clean with a damp rag. If you still can't get rid of it, repeat the above operation a few more times. Maintenance for pump is as follows. Prepare a molten grease, preferably one with a high resistance to cold and heat. Use AM 2.5 screwdriver to loosen the 4 fixed screws on the pump head and remove the pump head. Use a brush to apply grease to the inside of the pump head and the outside of the pressure-resistant water pipe. After application, you can use a tool to rotate the internal rotor of the pump head for better grease coverage. Install the pump head on the pump. That's all for today's tutorial. Subscribe our channel to unlock more crop protection skills.